Welcome to episode number 13. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Like I mentioned earlier this week, every once in a while we're going to have a guest on the show. Today, that special guest is Mr. Greg. Mr. Greg, take it from here.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Hey everybody, here's one thing you can do while you're at home. You can get into the kitchen and do a little bit of cooking. One of my favorite things to do is to make salsa or pico de gallo. It's real simple, only a few ingredients. You gotta have tomatoes. I used, I think 5. You gotta have onion, and then for some heat, a nice jalapeno, a little bit of garlic, and some salt, and a lime. And then to finish it off, you have to have a little bit of cilantro. So I just pick off a few of the leaves and then give it a rough chop like this. Just go through it a couple times and give it a nice, oh, that smell is amazing. This is probably my favorite herb. So then take it and put it in the bowl. And a dash of salt and stir it all up. Hey, look at this, huh? I wonder if it tastes as good as it looks. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's see, get your tortilla. Let's have a taste here. Oh, delicious. And look at that, you can make it in about 10 minutes. And when you're done, you can then sit down and do the Sunday crossword puzzle like I did. Keeps the mind sharp. Well, just one idea for you to do while you're gone. I sure miss you all very much. Can't wait to be together again. God bless you, love you, bye-bye.
Thank you, Mr. Greg. My only question after that is if you do curbside delivery. For today's dad jokes, I've got a couple of food jokes for you. What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business. A little bit of a delayed laugh there. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. And did you know that the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France? They were cooked in Greece. Yesterday's riddle was, I disappear every time you say my name. What am I? The answer is silence. Today's riddle is, what belongs to you but other people use it more than you do? Your word of encouragement for today is from 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verses 17 through 18. For this light momentary affliction is preparing for us an eternal weight of glory, beyond all comparison, as we look not to the things that are seen, but to the things that are unseen. And this is really good news because it challenges me to have an eternal perspective when all of this is going on. If we can see this as a momentary affliction, we can have a greater picture that life here on earth is so short compared to eternity with God. And so that's such an important thing to grasp during these times, is that even though these trials are going to be difficult, and that they are difficult right now, that we're not meant for life here on earth, but we're meant for eternity with God. So be encouraged by that today.